May magbabalik. Attorney Jose C. Season at Jopet Season.
Kapag nasa katwiran, ipaglaban mo.
Kasalukuyang nagbabakasyon sina Attorney Season at Jopet Season kaya minarapat ng isasyong ito na ipagkatiwala kina Attorney Ragaza at Attorney Tolentino ang programang Kapag Nasa Katwiran, Ipaglaban Mo.
Ako si Attorney Kurt Ragaza.
At ako naman si Attorney Eugenio Carlo Tolentino.
Nasa katwiran, paglaban mo.
Canon 9. A lawyer shall not directly or indirectly assist in an authorized practice of law.
I have transactions for this afternoon. Yeah. So I have transactions. Sorry po. Hi, Lex! Naalala mo ba ako?
Yan?
Opo.
Yan! Oh my God! Kumusta?
Classmate kita.
Kumusta ka na? How have you been? Kumusta? Postura. Saan ka na ba nagtatrabaho ngayon?
Sa Judicial Court ako nagtatrabaho doon sa 4th District. So, yun sa malapit sa Gaisano, yung may Macdonga. So, yeah, doon.
Wow! So lawyer ka na pala. Lawyer ka na. Oo.
Hindi naman. Member ako doon sa Judicial Court pero hindi ako lawyer kasi sabi ko nga hindi nga ako nakapagtapos kasi na-short yung budget ko dati.
Oh, really? Kasi ako I'm into real estate. Baka naman maka-avail ako ng services mo. And actually ngayon, may binibenta akong property. Pwede siya hindi full payment. So baka naman gusto mo, I can go to your office and I can present.
Sure. Sige, ako, punta ka na lang sa office ko, tsaka ito yung calling card ko. Tapos, alam mo naman yun kung saan yung di ba, for Judicial District. So, doon ka na lang pumunta. Tsaka sabihan mo lang na iyan. Okay?
Okay,
Sige,
we're going.
kita-kits.
Bye! Yeah, oo. Pupunta na ako sa office ni Attorney Alakuya. Oo, nandito na ako sa office ni Attorney Alakuya. Oo, yeah. Hi, Attorney! Hi! Good afternoon. So, I have the papers na ngayon for me to present. So, Attorney, ito na yung actually, ito yung property and then hindi siya full payment. So, pwede mo siya makuha within 3 years pero you will be starting to pay your amortization on the first day of the next month. So, okay ba sa'yo?
So, yeah, it's actually very good kasi hindi ko rin kaya bayaran to. Ang laki ng amount nito. Kano to? 4 million. So, hindi makaya in cash to. Kasi kakalabas din ng panganay ko. So, yeah, I can't really afford it. But mortgage will, yeah. It's actually very good. Okay?
So, it's in the deal now. So, kung okay na sa'yo, can I just get your signature here and your name para po sa contract?
Okay, sure.
Thank you, sir.
So, Panyero, In the case of Mr. Alauya, what canon did he violate?
Well, Alauya violated the Canon 9, which states that a lawyer shall not assist in the unauthorized practice of law, and he shall not delegate to any person the task only performed by the members of the bar with a good standing.
So the title attorney which Mr. Alauya used is reserved to those who have obtained the necessary degree in the study of law and have successfully taken the bar examinations.
While one who is admitted to the Sharia bar and to the Philippine bar may be entitled to the title as counselors. Wherefore, Respondent Ashari Alauya is hereby reprimanded for usurping the title of attorney, and he is warned that any similar or other impropriety or misconduct in the future will be dealt with more severely.
For Mr. Alauya to use the title attorney, he should have been admitted to the Integrated Bar of the Philippines and remain member thereof with a good standing.
So good afternoon to or good evening to all JMC law students there. So I have here with me Attorney Ligaspina, who will explain to us Canon 9 to 12 of the Code of Professional Responsibility. So Attorney.
It will not take long for me to explain it. It's basically, all that I can do is relate these laws to a personal experience. So I've been in practice for all 13 years already. So along the way, especially when you were still young, you seem to have a dilemma whether to follow what is the practice and what is the law. Under Canon 9, lawyers shall not directly or indirectly assist in the unauthorized practice of law. Basically, it prohibits you from delegating your privilege as a lawyer to somebody else. The problem is that has not yet been the case until now. Many people in Manila, maybe when you can observe that there are notary publics under Imago 3. They're delegating their authority to practice as a notary public to somebody else. That is wrong. While it might be okay for your legal researchers to interview your clients, when it comes to the finalization of cases, it should not leave everything to your legal researchers, even if they are law graduates or under bar. All the decisions should be left to you.
Ako si Attorney Kurt Ragaza.
At ako naman si Attorney Eugenio Carlo Tolentino.
Nasa katwiran, paglaban mo.
Canon 10. A lawyer owes candor, fairness, and good faith to the court.
Hi, attorney. Good afternoon. Hi, by the way, I am the representative of Eulalio Zaballero. I have here the documents, attorney.
Okay. Let me see it, please. So, saan pala si Mr. Zaballero?
Yun na nga, attorney. Masyado siyang busy, kaya ako ang pinadala niya. So, kung okay lang ba daw po na manotarize yung mga documents na yan?
Okay naman. Tingnan ko muna dito yung may mga ibang ano na. Okay, seems to be good. Ano ang petsa ngayon, madam?
June 20.
Okay. Tsaka pakiano na lang din ito sa sekretary ko, ha?
Ay, okay po. Thank you, attorney.
No problem. Take care.
Attorney,
Oh, bakit?
good morning. Attorney, yung document na ninotarize nyo is document na nakapangalan sa tatay ko. Then yung date na nilagay nyo is date na patay na siya. At this day, wala na yung tatay ko. Pero ninotarize nyo pa rin, sir.
Kasi sabi ko kasi doon sa representative ng nagpapirma nito, sabi kasi niya, ano lang daw yung tatay mo nag-vacation leave. Wala naman siyang sinabi doon na bedridden ba or anything like that. So, yun, kaya pinirmahan ko na lang. So, tingnan ko muna to. Okay naman to Wala naman problema dito. Okay sir, pwede naman natin na maayos to. Upo ka muna. So ano pala nangyari kay Mr. Zabalero?
Attorney, from the time na pinirmahan mo yung deed of sale na to, attorney, alam nyo ba na it's a violation sa inyong practice na mag-notarize ng deed of sale na hindi nakapresent yung actual na pangalan? Kasi yung sa lagay natin ngayon is yung tatay ko from this day is wala na siya, sir.
Eulalio Zaballero died on May 31, 1992. However, Attorney Montalban notarized the document in question which purportedly contains the signature of Eulalio Zaballero on June 9, 1992. Or a little more than a week after his death. Part of the document is a notarial acknowledgement where respondent declared that Eulalio Zaballero appeared before him and acknowledged that the instrument was his free and voluntary act. But the fact was, he was already dead at that time.
Clearly, respondent made an untruthful statement, thus violating Rule 10.01 of the Code of Professional Responsibility and his oath as a lawyer, which unconditionally requires him not to do or declare any falsehood. Notaries public, therefore, should not authenticate documents unless the persons who signed thereon are the very same persons who executed and personally appeared before them to attest to the contents and truth of what are stated therein.
The court decided that the Notarial Commission of Respondent, Attorney Mario Montalban, if still existing, is revoked and is disqualified from being commissioned as a notary public for a period of 2 years, and he is also suspended for the practice of law for 6 months immediately.
Canon 10, a lawyer whose candor, fairness, and good faith to the court. Under this rule, sometimes lawyers mislead the court because the court does not know about the nitty-gritty of what has been conversed by the parties, especially in breaches of breach of contracts. They make this fact, the other one disputes it, especially if everything is oral. Misleading the court is, I think that is what always happens. The lawyer knows it, but they still continue it. It seems as if they rearrange facts and tell it to the court. That's sad to say, but that's still a gray area for me.
Attorney Eugenio Carlo Tolentino.
Pag nasa katwiran, paglaban mo.
Canon 11. A lawyer shall observe and maintain the respect due to the courts and to judicial officers and should not insist in similar conduct by others.
Judge Moiser, am inhibiting myself from further trying this case due to the fact that the evidence thus presented by the prosecution was sufficient to prove the crime of homicide and not the charge of murder.
So you see, Your Honor, the facts are undoubtful, and the accused that the accused committed the crime of murder and not of homicide. Because if the facts of this case, Your Honor, is without doubt that the accused committed murder and not of homicide, and therefore he shall not be able to apply for bail.
I, Judge Tan of Branch 29 of RTC of Surigao City, favorably resolve the motion to fix the bail bond amounting to 40,000 pesos. Case dismissed.
So Judge Tan's decision was incorrect. I am not afraid of any judge or what sort of decision it is, but the accused is a murderer, and he must not be allowed to apply for bond.
In this case, Attorney Bagabuyo violated Rule 10.5 of the Canon 11 when he admittedly caused the holding of a press conference where he made the statements against the order dated November 12, 2002, allowing the accused in the criminal case number 5144 to be released on the bail.
Attorney Bagabuyo also violated Canon 11 when he indirectly stated that Judge Tan was displaying judicial arrogance. Further, Attorney Bagabuyo violated Rule 11.05 of Canon 11 of the Code of Professional Responsibility for not resorting to the proper authorities only for redress of his grievances against Judge Tan.
Canon 11. This is all about proper decorum. Yes, there are so many codes. All lawyers should follow this. This is part and parcel of our dignity as lawyers. Who would retain a client who does not know how to take care of himself? This is all about proper attire, proper decorum, punctuality. There are so many judges who wants to revive this. At 8 o'clock, they already close their sala whether or not you're there. Then, sometimes lawyers, they think that an order, even an interlocutory order, is against them. They make facts, they make presumptions that the judge is biased. That is why they want to inhibit the judge from the case. That is wrong. I think that is wrong. Do not make false assertions against the judge just because one instance does not be wrong. That's 11, no? Exert every effort and consider it his duty to assist in the speedy and efficient administration of justice. Yes. Sometimes we cannot avoid it, but file a motion for extension or motion for resetting, but do not make it too obvious. Do not say, I think that's quite insulting if you say, I want to reset, I pray for a resetting of the case because I have another case which is equally important to this. And then after that, that's the same reason. It's quite insulting already to the point. We should avoid that. They would know it later on. But ideally, the canon should be followed. There are some times that you cannot avoid them. Commit a mistake. And probably in the advent of our technology, the canon should also be reviewed and visited by the Supreme Court to be upbeat to the recent practice. That's all. Thank you. So, thank you so much.
Attorney Bagabuyo also violated Canon 11 when he indirectly stated that Judge Tan was Surigao.
Wherefore, in view of the foregoing notarial commission, respondent
Ipagpus!
and
Pagpus! Pagpus!
the notarial
Pagpus! Alay, katawa lagi. Ato, tabi, ato sa may ma'am.
while one